I'm celebrating the strawberry by making a vanilla pound cake with strawberries and vanilla whipped cream. And I'm noticing that the strawberry has the cheeriest, most vibrant, happy red color. They're so sweet and they're so juicy and full of red living energy for the taking. Yummy. And as I make this amazing strawberry filled deliciousness that you could really eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, let's talk about who out there loves eating strawberries, but who loves even more picking strawberries. Because if picking strawberries and being in the strawberry patch is one of your top 10 activities that you love most in this world, then you probably have gnome energy. Gnomes are just some of the most grounded people that are on this earth. And if you have gnome energy, you probably love animals, especially dogs. You love birds, like the ones that we hear right now. You are a super reliable person, and you love your strawberries. You know, because the strawberries, they grow on the ground, and you love to be walking on the ground, especially in the strawberry patch. And you wait all year for strawberry season because you can't wait to go pick your own strawberries. And if you're a gnome, you probably have this cheery red color in your aura, and you probably most definitely have a green in your aura too. And I'm going to make this pound cake with 6 eggs. Oh my gosh. And actually 4 sticks of butter, vanilla, flour, all those yummy things. And I had to show you these bright orange eggs that I got from my neighbor. Thank you very much. And they're going into this very, very heavy, moist pound cake. And gnomes, you get so excited about being able to put things in the oven. This just excites you. And I have to show you that I put it in the oven and I'm not even a gnome. And it came out and I didn't even burn it. And it came out of the pan and it didn't crumble. I'm so proud of myself. Gnomes, you love your baking. So let's make up some whipped cream and let's add a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of sugar, and whip that up till it's a little bit firm. And then when we get ready to plate it up, we'll have plenty for all of our friends and family that we love to share our strawberry desserts with. Look at how beautiful that is. It's so rich, it's so moist. And so have fun with your strawberries. Love your strawberries. Eat your strawberries. And even if you don't like to eat strawberries, cut them up and then see if you can find one that has the same shape as your what? As your